Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the grumpy cat filter on TikTok. So for that, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here slide right until you see world AR. Okay, go there. Okay, and remember this image on the third row. Yeah, remember this image. This is the filter. Select it. Okay. Okay, so this is the filter. Suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, go to discover. Okay, in discover you search for AR cat. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see try this effect. Tap there to use this effect. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, go to this web page. Link to this web page I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this web page you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you need to open it with TikTok. So on the bottom of the page you will see the record button. Just tap there. Again you will be directed to the effect page. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen to get this effect. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise you can get this grumpy cat filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.